Hello and welcome back to Digital Dynamo Lab. Today we are going to understand two essential types of computer memory, RAM and ROM. What are they, how are they different, and where are they used? Let's break it down. First, let's define both. RAM stands for Random Access Memory. ROM stands for read-only memory. Both are types of primary memory, but they work in very different ways. RAM stores the data and instruction that the CPU is currently working on. It's fast and active. ROM, on the other hand, stores permanent instruction like the BIOS, which are used to start the computer. These instructions are usually not changed. RAM is volatile. This means it loses all data when the power is turned off. ROM is non-volatile, so it keeps its data even when the system shuts down. The CPU can read from and write to RAM. It can alter the data freely. With ROM, the CPU can only read the data, and in most cases it can be changed easily. RAM is used to store temporary data that helps in current processing tasks. ROM is used to bootstrap the computer. In other words, to help it start up and load the operating system. There are two main types of RAM, SRAM, DRAM, and three main types of ROM, programmable ROM, erasable programmable ROM, electrically erasable programmable ROM. RAM is much faster than ROM. Also, the CPU can access RAM directly. While the ROM, the data often needs to be copied to RAM first before the CPU can use it. RAM usually has higher capacity and it's used as primary memory or CPU cache. ROM is smaller in size and used for firmware storage in devices like microcontrollers. Also, RAM is more expensive while ROM is cheaper in comparison. So, let's summarize. RAM is volatile, fast and used for temporary processing. ROM is non-volatile, permanent and used to start your computer. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you understand the difference between RAM and ROM, be sure to like, comment and subscribe to Digital Dynamo Lab for more easy tech explanation. See you in the next one.